Hello everybody, welcome to our LONGi showroom. And today I want to introduce a little bit about our LONGi Solar Carport. So you can see we have a little bit small module about our W tap. You can see the mounting system. It's a structure, it's a W tap. And for each carport, standard modular one, we design for 3 times 6, so it means 18 square meter. And for the rooftop, we have a standard with 9 pieces of the module. The traditional half-cell module we use for solar carport. So you can see the size is something like 2 meter times 1 meter, and you can see this double side glass. And from the under the carport, you also will see it looks very beautiful. And currently we are using Hammer 4, and very soon we also will use our up versions of Hammer 5. So if you have already have a traditional carport, actually you also will use some similar module. Like this one side, you can see, you also can use one side, the Hammer 4 for use for our carport. And this Hammer 4, the half cell module is also used for our rooftop, the e-home system. So any question, please contact us. Thank you.